Hello everyone, welcome back to Elliphant and Jojo Dinosaur, and today, excuse me, I burped. Today I'm in my room at Nana's house, and, this is part 2 to slimes. So, in the last video, I did 6 slimes and putties. Okay, it's a mixture of slimes and putties. Here's some sneak peeks. Ooh, go check that video out. Not boring at all. Anyways, yeah, today I have a whole bunch more stuff, slime to show, and maybe putty. I don't know what I have left. Alright, so last video I showed a Play-Doh slime, Crackle Play-Doh slime, and I got that from my 6th grade teacher for the end of the year party that I didn't get to have, so she just sent me a bag. Bless me. Woo, okay. So this is red slime. Does this have a name? Cloud slime. Oh, amazing. This should have a pretty good, maybe it does a clicking sound I was going to say, but I don't think it will. So it's kind of gooey in some parts, where on the bottom where it was been sitting for a long time. So I'm just mixing it in, but yeah. Oh, it's super red. I'm trying to think what this smells like. It smells like Play-Doh. Believe it or not, Play-Doh slime, Play-Doh cloud slime smells like Play-Doh. Can you believe it? This crap, oh, it's not crap. It smells nice, but it smells like crap. Like that stuff smells horrible. Smells like I said in my last video, smells like cream cheese yogurt. Yeah, I know, right? It's so weird. Do you guys know where I got that tactic from? My best friend, neighbor. Well, TJ. He's one of my really good friends, and so is Lucas, and so are their sisters. But I don't think his sisters watch my videos, so they don't have to know that I favor. Just kidding, I don't favor, but I have lots of fun with all of them. He taught me ASMR tricks. Sorry, I got slime on my arm. I did ASMR videos with him. I did videos with him. Go on my channel. You'll see a whole bunch of videos. Well, maybe not a whole bunch, but I did a few videos with him and his brother and whatever. Alright, next. Alright, we have Elmer's Glue Fruity Slushy. These are great slimes. Dollar General, you can get them. I think I've seen some at Grocery Outlet. Fred Meyer. Walmart. I got this at Dollar General. Let's do a little ASMR. I may never do that again. I just got those little ball things everywhere. Ugh, now I gotta pick them up with the slime. Right. Sorry, 1 second. AFK. Even though I have no keyboard on my tablet. Okay. ASMR. Oh, my tablet. Yeah. I forgot to mention, this smells really good. It smells like fruit because it's a fruity slushy. Ooh, my favorite. Elmer's Glue Cosmic Shimmer. The most beautiful slime ever. Oh, it also smells so good. How beautiful. I wish you guys could see this in real life. It's amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, it makes me want to melt. It smells good. Alright, click inside. Shh. 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 Ah, amazing. Oh, I haven't even been rating my slimes this time. Ugh, well, we'll start from here. I rate this 9 out of 10. You know what? 9.5 out of 10. It's literally the best slime ever. Which one should I do next? What's this? Oh my gosh. Okay, this isn't even slime anymore. I just kept it because I don't know why, memories, I guess. It smells gross. This used to be unicorn poop. Like, that's what it was called. Unicorn poop putty. I got this for like Christmas like 5 years ago. Okay, maybe not 5 years ago, but a long time ago. And it's hard as rock. I can't even squish it. It's probably not healthy to play with. I don't know why I kept it. Memories. I'm really weird. Right. Ooh, classy clear. This slime used to be so beautiful and see-through, but then once you start playing with it, it just turns this weird butter color. Like, on camera, it looks, I don't know what you would call this color. Like, look, it's still see-through, kind of. See? But, like, when it's all together, it looks gross. This was the best slime ever, like, literally. What color does this, like, what does this look like? It looks like gelatin or, like fat on meat. Ew, that's really gross. Now for my least favorite slime ever. Oh, I rate this a 5 out of 10. This, like, cotton candy fizz. It's the best smelling slime you'll ever see, but the, like, consistency, consistency, is that how you say it? Consistency, yeah, I think that's right. I don't know. Ew, like, how are you supposed to grab this? It's, like, disgusting. You don't know how painful this is. I'll be back. Ah, this is disgusting. That's good enough. Oh, it turns out I was filming that. Sorry. I guess I was a little behind the scenes. It's so hard to get out of the jar. Like I still have so much in there. Smells great. I just don't like the feeling. I bought it because cotton candy. I love cotton candy. Good ASMR, but ew. I just, ugh. And it leaves on your hand like slimy. Ew. Ugh. Gross. Like, OMG. I don't know why I've been talking like that lately. It's just, like, funny to me. And there goes my slime. One more slime. Alright, and I got this blue elephant slime from my grandpa Hager. My stepdad's dad, baby. This is called, it's noise putty. It's so cute, has a little elephant. My favorite animal ever. So this is some really bad putty. But, yeah, it's not too bad actually. I kind of like it. Doesn't make any sound. But, I'll put it in here. Makes a little bit of sound. You know, kind of gross. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.